Oh, look, Carl, I brought you friends this morning. Did you see the babies? I brought you babies, Carl. Oh, Carl does not look happy today. Hi, Carl. It's a camera. Yes, it's me. Yep. Can we pet you today, Carl? Oh, no. Carl not having it. This is my girl. This is Ginger. She is pregnant and due in June. On my mom's birthday, actually. All right. There's a little miracle right there that I thought was gonna die. This is Mona. She thinks that I'm her child. And then there's T-Rex and Pterodactyl, and there's Bob. He's our boy. He's the daddy to our future boers. And Ginger says, well, they're like my size babies. Oh, it looks like Oreo came to check us out. Also named Panda. Hey, Bob, you're in the picture. They're boys, Bob. Sorry. Seems like all the goats are starting to shed, which means spring is right around the corner. What do you think, Ginger? They are like the size of baby mini horsies, huh? They're not your children, are they? So if you see T-Rex here, he's got still a little gimpy leg, which we might end up putting a splint on it. I'm not feeding you! I'm being attacked by the dinosaurs! See where they got their dinosaur name from? They're ruthless. Oh my goodness! Don't eat me! I'm not edible! Don't eat me! Yes, don't eat me. Go be goats. I already fed you. But anyway, T-Rex has a gimpy leg. Pterodactyl, get out of the way. Get out of the way, Pterodactyl. So we may end up putting a splint on this. Have to talk to the vet and see what they say. Hey guys, go be goats. See, this one over here, he's being a goat. Look, you're being a goat. You're playing in the mud. Yep, see, it's a goat. Hi, Sadie. Let's see. Yeah. I see a good girl. So, adorable. Don't bite his head off. The little ornery, aren't you? Hi, Maggie. How's it going? Do you like your goat friends, Carl? Did you see the babies? Huh, buddy? Did you see the babies? Oh, yes. You're grumpy today. Yes, Carl's grumpy. Looks like you were rolling in the hay last night. Did you sleep well? Bet he cannot wait to get his hair off this year. I'm gonna have to hire somebody to do it though, because he does not like to be touched a lot. What's the matter, Carl? No hugs this morning? Fine. Carl, I need a hug. Carl! Yeah, he's not in a good mood. He must not be happy I brought babies over. Man, you made a mess out of yourself last night, Carl. Look at you. Camouflaging? You gonna herd your sheep away? All right, I'm gonna go check everybody else real quick to see if we had any babies last night.